All right, so here's a quick update on what's going on with my trading career recently. So I just got a job. I'm going to be training for a new job for the next 7 weeks, and the training happens to fall 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. So that pretty much limits my trading after the open. But I will be trading. I have been trading and going to continue trading pre-market for the next 7 weeks while I'm doing this training process. And then after the training process, I go full-time remote, which works around my trading schedule. So I would be starting late morning and ending in the evening, which is a really good schedule for anyone trading on Eastern time. So, for me, I'm a momentum trader. I like to trade pre-market. I like to trade at the open. So those are my two sort of areas that I make the most profits in. So my schedule is going to be, pre-market, only pre-market for the training session, because I'm not able to kind of trade at the open. But once after the training session's over, I'll be able to do pre-market and be able to trade the open for the first hour and a half, which is plenty of time. Usually I finish up around 10:30, but right around 11 is when I'll start my job. So I'll have that double income, which is totally worth it. And I definitely advise you guys, especially if you're beginning, to have that solid income coming in to alleviate any pressure or stress from needing to make money in the markets or needing to have success in the markets, because every day is different. Not every day you're going to be green, and then those red days, it can easily capitulate really deep in the red if you're trying and you feel like you have to be green on any particular day. And if you don't have that extra income, that feeling that you need to be green that day may be stronger than if you had that stable, steady income coming in from a different source of income. So if you are, sort of similar in a position like me, or if you are somewhat new to trading, very good to have that solid source of income the first few years, as you're learning and as you're sizing up. And then later down the road, you can think about, severing that source of income and replacing it with something better, maybe entrepreneurial, your own business, or doing other things that can generate income. But I don't think any trader should have trading as the only source of income. You should always be, even if you're a successful trader, you should always be having other income coming in from from YouTube or from real estate or investments or other investments or other projects you have going on. I don't think I think trading as a sole source of income is actually really not sustainable long term. But anyways, that's just the update. So for the next 6 weeks, I'm about 2 days into the training session. So I have another maybe 6.5 weeks of this. So I'm only trading pre-market. So that really limits my time in the markets. But there is some solid pre-market moves. There's enough moves pre-market to get your daily goal and walk. And so, that's what I've been working on every single day, is just if I can just show up and get that 10, 20, 30 cents in the market and then walk and be out before the market open, then that's a successful day. Get green and get out. And that's what I'm working on, is just if I can just be consistent these next 7 weeks of trading pre-market. Usually I'm not even that good pre-market. My stats say that I'm slightly positive, just very slightly positive pre-market. So I think that, on a positive note, having to take this job and go, for the 7-week training process, it only allows me to trade pre-market. On the positive side of it, it's going to force me to develop my pre-market skills. And then pre-market is a little bit different than the market open. It's not all the time, it's easier to get in and out. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you have some problems with some liquidity at the spreads. Sometimes you got to hold a little bit longer for these moves to unfold pre-market. So, it's a kind of a different beast, pre-market versus the open, as we've seen. But yeah, there's definitely enough moves pre-market to make, decent income. And that's the update. But I'm not going to have as much time, to make, videos as well. So the video output's definitely going to be less for the next couple of weeks, just because of the lack of time. I wake up at 7, I trade until 9:30, and then I'm out the door to hit that training session to start my job, and that's till 6:30. And then by that time, I gotta make dinner, I gotta do all that stuff at home, to like laundry and all that stuff, grocery shopping, all that stuff, the normal day in day out type of errands. By that time, if I want to squeeze in a workout at the gym, by that time it's already time for bed. And also, being in a relationship, if you're in a relationship, you guys spend some time with the girl, so not a lot of time left to make videos. So I'm going to try my best to like fit in time to make videos and at least review my statistics for the week. Maybe I'll start doing weekly. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start doing weekly videos instead of daily videos, like daily recaps. I'm going to do weekly recaps because I'm off on Saturday, Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday will give me some time to make videos. So stay tuned for weekly updates, weekly recaps. I think that might be better than the daily recaps, at least right now. And I'll be able to cover the entire week that I traded pre-market. So I think that's what I'm going to do. All right. So thanks for watching this video. If you're still watching, please hit the thumbs up button. Also subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Also check out the links in the description. We got some cool stuff down there. You can join the Discord. You can sign up for Trade Journal. Trade Journal is a free journaling software. Also, there'll also be a paid version where you can get mentoring sessions for a relatively low price than what other services are charging. But yeah, you'll get access to mentoring from different verified profitable traders in the community. And you'll also get access to their posts or private posts and some other things that are going to be included in the package. But that's not going to come out for a little bit longer. So, but keep an eye out for that. But you can sign up for free in the Trade Journal. You can sign up for free and just use it as your journaling platform, and you guys can have your imports, your broker imports, and you guys can analyze your trades for free. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.